Alright, so let us continue. When a profit of 40% was earned on the sale of an item, the total was 160. What was the original price and the profit in dollars? When a profit of 40% was earned on the sale of an item, the total was 160. Let's represent that in some numbers. So we know when some number was scaled by 1 plus 0.4, the result was 160. Alright, when a profit of 40% was earned on the sale of an item, the total was 160. So when we applied 40% profit to a particular number, we don't know yet. That's how the question is worded. When the question gives you the result, they want you to find the initial value, and this is how you set it up. Cool. So this is our setup. What was the original price? To find the original price, we basically P multiplied by 1.4 is equal to 160, right? Divide both sides by 1.4 to get it by itself, right? And our result implies that P equal 114.28. Yeah, let's leave it right there. 114.28. Alright, so this is the original price. Now they want the profit in dollars. So they gave us what the profit is in percentage, but they also want what the profit is in dollars. So to find what the profit is in dollars, we subtract the original price from the after profit price, which is, or the profit amount. So this is the profit in dollars. What we received in total minus the original price. Alright? Good. And now in this case, we'll just subtract that. 160 minus 14.28 equal $45.72. Alright, so this is our profit in dollars. The total received minus the original price equal to the profit in dollars. Next example. When a discount was applied to an item in a store, the price moved from 60 to 48. What is the discount in percentage? Alright, so what is the discount in percentage? So this is similar to what we've done before. Alright, the price moved from 60 to 40. So therefore a discount took place. Alright, it said it here, but we could just look right here and know that. So we know that 60 multiplied by 1 minus something is equal to 48. Alright, so we want to find P. So we divide both sides by 60. What we've been doing all this time, divide both sides by 60 to get this by itself. And when we divide 48 by 60, we get 0.8. So this implies that 1 minus P is equal to 0.8. We carry over the P and carry over the 0.8. and we will get 1 minus 0.8 equal P. I did 2 steps in one just now. I brought over this P and brought over this 0.8. So it became minus 0.8 and this became positive P, what we have here. This implies that P equals 0.2. And to get the percentage, we multiply it by 100. P therefore equal 20%. When a discount was applied to an item in a store, the price moved from 60 to 48. What is the discount in percentage? This is the discount. So a 20% discount was applied to the 60, which brought it to 48. Wonderful. Moving on. When a profit markup was applied to an item in a store, the price moved from 700 to 910. What was the profit in percentage? Similar to the above. However, this time it's profit. Here it was discount, now it's a profit. So we know that it moved from 700, a profit was applied. We can call this D, D for ease of understanding. So you know that it's a discount. Since I'm using a whole bunch of P's, you can just call this D. So D is for discount and P is for profit. Just so you understand it better. The result is 910. Now we want to find P. So we divide both sides by the 700. Alright. Divide both sides by the 700. What do we get? We get 1 plus P. We get 1 plus P is equal to 910 divided by 700, 1.3. Because P is already positive, we leave it over here and just bring over the minus 1. So P is equal to 1.3 minus 1, which is equal to 0.3. Alright, so we bring over the 1, it becomes 1.3 minus 1. We subtract 1 from 1.3, we get 0.3. Multiply this by 100. P is therefore equal to 30%. I hope you can see it. It's a bit crammed. Yeah, I always seem to cram the latter part of the questions, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure you can see it. P is equal to 1.3 minus 1, which is equal to 0.3. This is the decimal form of our percentage. We multiply by 100 to get the actual percentage form. We continue. An iPhone was bought for $900 and sold for $1,100. What is the percentage gain? The percentage gain is 900 multiplied by 1 plus P. P is our percentage, or our profit percentage, which is equal to $1,100. We repeat the exact same thing we did here. Divide both sides by 900. Implies that 1 plus P is equal to 1100 divided by 900, 1.2222 all the way down. We want P by itself, so therefore P is equal to 1.2222 subtract 1. P is equal to 0.2222. So this is our percentage form. Decimal form of the percentage we want. So we multiply it by 100 to get P equal 22.222%. Alright, so what is the percentage gain? The percentage gain is, or the profit is 22.22%. Alright, and yeah, that's the end of our questions. I'll see you in the next episode for some more. That's J2T.